Hey boys and girls, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very excited to be with you again today. So I know you were just doing, you may have just been doing some rec and rec work, right? Where you saw some partners that go together to make 6, right? So like, for example, 4 and 2, right? And when you put those together, you're adding. You're adding to get 6, okay? Or it might have been 5 and 1. You put those together, you're adding them together to get 6. Okay, so another way of thinking about that is you've got one part of a number here, but another part, and you put them together, you get a new whole, right? So now you've got 6. So we're going to be looking at that today. So we're back in my awesome math app that I love so much. So let's read our word problem, okay? It says, 6 black penguins walk onto a part of ice. Okay, so now let's imagine what's happening. Let's picture it in our heads. Right? The first time we read it, we just want to think, what is happening? Let's get a little moving in our head. So 6 black penguins, they walk onto a part of ice. Okay, so we're going to actually, let's just keep reading. It says 3 blue penguins. Wait a second. Are there blue penguins? Do those exist? I don't know, but let's just keep going. Walk on to a different part of the ice. Okay. If they all get together, how many total penguins are there? So we're going to come over here and do some penguins. So remember, if I click down here, I can click on the penguin. I'm going to make it black. And boys and girls, you can play with this too on the math app. I'll give you the link in the slides, okay? And I'm going to click another penguin and make it blue. The reason I made it blue, there are no blue penguins, was just to make it easier to see the difference, okay? That's all. All right, so we have black penguins and blue penguins. So there are 6 black penguins. So I'm going to bring 6 black penguins down here. Here's 5, right? And here is another one. So do I have 6? Yep, they're all just kind of walking around. So they're on one part of the ice. This is one part. And then there are how many blue penguins? 3. So I'm going to bring 1, 2, and I just click and drag it over 3. There's 3 blue penguins on this part of the ice. Then what happens? What does it say? Is that they all get together. Okay, so what I'm going to do, watch what I do. I'm going to take these 6 penguins and I'm going to put them up here because they're all going to get together. Okay, and I'm going to write 6 here. There were 6 penguins right here, 6 black penguins. And then we move these penguins, right, up with these because they all get together. Ooh, penguin party, penguin party. So there were 3 blue penguins here, okay? So what are we trying to, let's read it again. What are we trying to figure out? Because sometimes you might need to read the problem a few times. So it says there's 6 black penguins, they walk onto the ice. 3 blue penguins walk onto a different part of the ice. If they all get together, which they've done now, how many total penguins are there? So let's do some counting. How many penguins are there up here? Let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 penguins. We have 9 penguins. So up here we can write, we'll do it in a different color. We'll write there are 9 penguins. Okay? So 6, if you put 6 and 3 together, right? 6 and 3 together makes 9. So like we've done before, we're going to write our equation down here. So we're going to write 6, and then I added 3. Okay, so right now you're just watching me, all right? We added 3, and that equals, or is the same as, 9. Okay? All right, super fun. So here's what we're going to do. Let's go here to my document camera. All right, so you need to take out your paper. It says your name. It says name at the top, and it says Monday. Follow along with Mr. McAndrew. Okay? So let's get our name down. I'm going to write my name. You write your name. And remember, boys and girls, if you ever need to slow the video down, just pause it and then come back when you're ready. Okay? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So what I want you to do is take out this packet, put your name on it, and then I want you to take out your connecting cubes from your math bag. You should have 10 of each. All right, so take those out. They look like this. Okay, mine are green and orange. Yours might be brown and pink or blue and yellow. It doesn't really matter. Okay, but just take those out. And when you're ready, come on back. Okay, so here we go. So it's the same problem. There's 6 black penguins walk onto a part of the ice. So here it says black penguins. Now my counters are not black. Okay, but that's okay, isn't it? It's okay. I'm going to pretend like they're black. So these represent my black penguins. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Not as good as the math app, is it? No. 5, 6. I'm going to put 6 there. Okay. And how many blue penguins go on to this part of the ice? We called it. There were 3 blue penguins. I'm going to put 3. I know they're not blue, but it's what I have, so it's okay. We'll pretend these represent blue penguins. Okay. All right. So now we have to figure out if they all go together. How many are there, right? Together means adding, putting together. So we're going to move these guys up here. Okay, they start to, ooh, we've got more room. We're going to spread out, okay? So, and then what I want you to do, when you do that, I want you to then write in here with your pencil 6. Because we had 6 penguins there. And then these 3 are going to move up here as well. I'm going to put them all together. One big happy penguin party. Okay, so we're going to write 3 right there. We have 6 black penguins and 3 blue penguins. So then how many all together do we have in total? We already know it's 9, right? But should we double check? Why not? So we have 1, let's count together with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yes, in fact, we do have 9 up here. So, if you haven't done all of that, please pause the video and write that down. Okay, and your cubes, your penguin cubes should all be up here. Okay, all together. And then for our equation, we would write 6 black penguins. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, Mr. McAndrew made a mistake. Look, it says line equals. So what should go over here? It shouldn't be 6, right? It should be 9 equals 6 plus 3. So we figured out that 9 is the same as 6 plus 3. Okay, so if you haven't already done that, please pause the video and catch up. And when you're done, come on back. All right, so welcome back. So turn to the next page. And because it says Monday, now you try it. Okay, it's the same kind of problem with black penguins and blue penguins. You've got your black penguins and blue penguins. And I want you to do the same thing that I just did on the last page using your cubes. Okay? So I'm going to read you the word problem, and then I want you to work on it and finish it. So it says, 4 black penguins walk onto a part of the ice. 4. So where should you put 4 cubes? Go ahead and do that now. Okay, your cubes, you should have 4 cubes right here where there's black penguins, right? Okay, then it says 2 blue penguins walk onto a different part of the ice. Where are your blue penguins going to go? They're going to go right here. So 2 blue penguins. If they all get together, so if you move them all up here where it says total penguins, how many total penguins are there? Okay, that's the question. How many are there total? So when you're done putting your 2 blue penguins, you move them all up, and then you write your number sentence. How many total penguins are there is equal to what plus what? Okay? All right, so do a good job. If you forget what to do, go back earlier in the video and it shows you a model of what to do. Okay? Great job, boys and girls. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Well, maybe not goodbye. I gotta figure out where my pause button went to. Silly Mr. McAndrew. Let's see. And there we are. Okay, bye-bye.